Instrumentation Limited. Let me first introduce Shri P.K. Vashisht. Shri Pankaj Kumar Vashisht has been the Chairman and Managing Director of Instrumentation Limited since October 2024. And with 36 years of experience, he started as a management trainee in '88 and has held key positions within the company. Under his leadership, IL has achieved major milestones such as contributing critical values for ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 mission and expanding its exports to Australia, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore and Russia. His commitment to innovation continues to drive IL's success in the instrumentation sector. So requesting our chief guest, Honorable Judge Justice Devan Ramachandran, to hand over the award to Shri P.K. Vashisht. We have the better half of Vashisht sir, Shri P.K. Vashisht's wife, also with him. That is absolutely lovely.
You are too young to get a lifetime achievement.
I had the same feeling when I looked at his face, yes. So she is the best half of Vashisht sir. And congratulations, Shri P.K. Vashisht, for receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. I think Vashisht sir deserves a standing ovation, as this is a Lifetime Achievement Award that we are handing over to Shri P.K. Vashisht, the Chairman and Managing Director of Instrumentation Limited. Hearty congratulations, sir. Requesting Vashisht sir to say a few words. Rafael sir has dictated a 1-minute timeline for you.
Good evening, and respected and honorable Justice Sir, guests, dignitaries and fellow professionals, and my senior, Mr. Eapen Varghese sir. Contribution of Eapen Varghese sir is immense, and some things I follow from him regarding taking dashing decisions. I am deeply honored, sir, to receive the award from you, and thanks NIPM. With full humbleness, I accept this award on behalf of employees of Instrumentation Limited, because they are behind this award, and in fact all these small and big professional achievements that I have achieved in my career. I joined as management trainee in 1988 and I'm 1.5 years to retire. Ministry of Heavy Industries, Government of India has entrusted the charge of Chairman and Managing Director to me. Their support and hand-holding along with the team of Board of Directors in Instrumentation Limited is immense, and that they are really the people who are to be acknowledged. The name Instrumentation Limited, though it starts with I, but there is no I in Instrumentation Limited. It is we the team IL. And sir, I am not a professional speaker, and like teachers, I cannot speak as good as you can. But whatever it is, whatever best management practices have been shown by our seniors, and continuing by me, in IL, we always believe that leadership is not about position, you defined it, sir, but about responsibility and service. And the foundation of effective leadership lies in the leading by example, demonstrating personal honesty of highest degree in all official matters and of course personal matters too, high morality in office work area, and unwavering commitment to the organization goals. Integrity is non-negotiable, and it is ingrained at all levels in IL, Instrumentation Limited, particularly among senior officers, head of the departments and functional HODs, as this level is responsible for creating the right atmosphere in the organization. With these core values in place across rank and file of the company, achievements of business targets are the byproducts of these values. Achieving targets is the byproduct of such values, and the work environment which we all imbibed in IL is egoless approach to work. At senior leadership level, personal ambitions always take a back seat. And what is good for the company is the prime reason for taking any particular decision. The decision is guided by this: have I done best for my IL today? And leadership teams are in place at all levels, at workplaces in the company. We operate without bias, and we play the passing the baton. We pick up the task from the previous department, do our task as fast as possible, and pass on to next department. And in an ethical and transparent model of working. Whatever success big or small IL has achieved is because every employee has sense of ownership over their work. And we adopt the changing business environments and management principles. As we move forward in the rapid area of technological and business transformation, HR professionals have to play a very crucial role in shaping the culture of the organization. And NIPM's efforts in giving and imbibing and training the HR professionals of the Palakkad area and nearby areas is well appreciated. Like a conducive environment at workplace, a happy and light environment at home is prerequisite for happy mind to work in office. And I'm blessed to have support of my family, which even feels guilty at 8 p.m. to ask me when you're coming home, after putting 12 hours in office. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to NIPM for this recognition and dedicate this honor to the hardworking employees and leaders of Instrumentation Limited who have been part of my journey. Let's continue to strive for excellence, not just business performance, but in building workspaces where people feel valued, inspired, and are driven to achieve great things. Thank you, Rafal sir. You have been always, and I always appreciate the person who is sitting the last, Dr. Thomas. He is the real leader in real sense. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vashish sir. Who said you're not a professional speaker? You have communicated so beautifully the core values of Instrumentation Limited. Once again, congratulations on receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. And now moving on to the next category of awards, which is for the Best Entrepreneur.